And welcome back, everyone. So following on from our other videos in regards to sort of interior, just cleaning, I'm going to do a quick review on Auto Finesse Spritz, which is basically just a interior detail. I just finish off. It just leaves the plastics with a nice shine. The door panel's already been cleaned with my normal general cleaner. On this occasion I used Auto Finesse Wipeout, which is a general purpose cleaner and disinfectant, which is really good. It's very quick, very easy, and obviously it disinfects at the same time, which in the current climate with the virus at the moment, I consider it being, it's a really good product, because you can use it for sort of mini cabs and so on. Quick flow in between customers, wipe the panels down, that's it, job done. Obviously, to finish off the doors, if you want to give it a nice little shine, because these are, it's quite dull at the moment, you can use Auto Finesse Spritz. It's just a very quick spray on, sort of wipe off, and it leaves it with a nice shine. So I'll give it a quick go. So I'm just using a Auto Finesse microfiber. And there we go, just that nice and quick, nice and simple. So it's left it with a nice shine to it. Product's only, it's like sort of £10 for a litre. It goes a long way. I'd definitely recommend it. It's a good product for just see, obviously with the door cards, they are half leather, sort of is plastics, leather, vinyl on there, so it works on all the surfaces. It's good obviously for dashes and so on. So I definitely recommend this product. As I say, it's very cheap, very good quality, very good value for money. So hopefully the video is useful. If it is, give it a thumbs up. Obviously subscribe to the channel. It does help me a lot. There's a lot of other videos coming up, so I've got more stuff on the Mercedes, on the smart car, and a few of my friends' cars as well coming up. I've got sort of adding Android Play and Apple iPlay to the Mercedes coming very soon. So obviously, if that is useful, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you very much.